#Biotech AI Integration Breakthroughs long-form tutorial script. You're using AI in biotech completely wrong. Most people think it's just about running data through algorithms. But the real breakthrough? It's about AI fundamentally changing how we discover drugs, predict diseases, and personalize medicine. And today, I'm showing you exactly how it works. Welcome back to TechNavigator Pro. If you haven't subscribed yet, this video will change how you understand the intersection of technology and healthcare. Here's the problem most people face: biotech research takes years. Drug discovery? 10 to 15 years on average. Genomic analysis? Overwhelmingly complex. Protein folding? Used to be unsolved for decades. But AI just flipped the script. And if you're not understanding how this works, you're missing one of the biggest tech revolutions happening right now. Let me break down the 3 core breakthroughs transforming biotech. First, AI-powered drug discovery. This is massive. Traditionally, pharmaceutical companies would screen millions of compounds manually. Now, AI models like those developed by companies including DeepMind and Genentech are predicting which molecules will work as drugs before they're even synthesized. According to recent biotech publications, AI can reduce drug discovery timelines from 10 years to just 18 months. You're looking at platforms like Schrödinger and Exscientia that literally use machine learning to predict molecular behavior. The AI doesn't just guess, it learns from billions of molecular interactions and predicts efficacy with stunning accuracy. The second breakthrough, genomic sequencing and interpretation. Your DNA contains 3 billion base pairs. Analyzing that manually? Impossible at scale. But AI can now sequence and interpret entire genomes in hours, not weeks. NVIDIA's Clara platform and IBM's Watson for genomics are processing genetic data at unprecedented speeds. These systems identify disease markers, predict genetic predispositions, and recommend personalized treatments. We're talking about precision medicine becoming genuinely precise. Third, protein structure prediction. This one's revolutionary. DeepMind's AlphaFold solved a 50-year-old grand challenge in structural biology. It predicted 3-dimensional protein structures with accuracy that won competitions. Why does this matter? Proteins are the machinery of life. Understanding their structure means understanding disease mechanisms at the molecular level. This discovery has accelerated research across immunology, cancer treatment, and rare diseases. Now let's walk through how you actually engage with these technologies. Step 1: Understanding the AI pipeline. When you're working in biotech AI integration, you're looking at a workflow. Data comes in: genomic sequences, protein data, molecular compounds. This feeds into an AI model that's been trained on millions of examples. The model processes this data, identifies patterns humans would miss, and outputs predictions. Visual platforms like the Genentech Discovery Dashboard show this workflow with clear input screens where you upload datasets, training visualization showing model accuracy metrics, and output prediction reports with confidence scoring displayed prominently. Step 2: Accessing genomic analysis tools. If you're a researcher, you're probably using platforms like Amazon HealthLake or Google Cloud Healthcare API. These aren't just storage systems, they're AI-integrated analysis tools. You'd navigate to the data upload section, select your genomic file formats, VCF files, BAM files, FASTQ sequences, and the AI automatically processes them. The interface shows a file browser with drag-and-drop functionality, analysis queue showing processing status, and results panel displaying identified variants with clinical significance scores. Step 3: Leveraging molecular prediction models. Here's where drug discovery gets real. Platforms like Schrödinger's LiveDesign show a molecule structure viewer where you can see 3D renderings of compounds. You'd click the AI Prediction Engine button, and the system analyzes binding affinity, toxicity potential, and efficacy likelihood. The output shows a scoring dashboard with multiple metrics: ADME properties, off-target effects, synthesis feasibility, all color-coded for immediate understanding. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and this stuff is changing medicine right now. Step 4: Understanding model training and validation. This is critical for credibility. AI models in biotech need to be rigorously tested. You're looking at platforms where researchers split data into training sets, validation sets, and test sets. The training monitor shows loss curves, accuracy metrics improving over epochs, and cross-validation results. When you see a model performance panel, you're evaluating metrics like ROC curves, precision recall scores, and sensitivity specificity trade-offs. This isn't just academic. Regulatory bodies like the FDA require this validation before AI tools can be used clinically. Step 5. Implementing personalized medicine protocols. This is where AI moves from discovery to application. IBM's Watson for Oncology analyzes individual patient tumors. You're uploading pathology reports, genetic sequencing results, treatment history. The AI then recommends specific treatments based on your exact tumor profile. The interface shows a patient profile section with demographic and clinical data, a genetic mutation map highlighting relevant mutations, and a treatment recommendation engine suggesting therapies ranked by evidence strength and patient-specific factors. Step 6. Real-time clinical decision support. Modern AI in biotech isn't just batch processing anymore. It's live. Systems like those deployed in major medical centers now offer real-time alerts. A clinician enters patient symptoms and test results into an EHR integration module, and AI instantly flags relevant diagnostic possibilities and recommended tests. The alert dashboard shows critical findings highlighted in red, actionable recommendations in yellow, and informational insights in blue. Response times drop from hours to seconds. Step 7. Validating AI recommendations through human expertise. Here's something crucial: AI doesn't replace doctors. It augments them. In platforms like Mayo Clinic's AI integration systems, you see a confidence score displayed alongside every recommendation. 95% confidence? Definitely worth investigating. 65%? You need more data. The interface includes an expert review panel where clinicians can validate, override, or provide feedback on AI recommendations. This feedback loops back into model improvement. Step 8. Scaling AI insights across research teams. Enterprise platforms like Benchling integrate AI capabilities across entire organizations. You're managing projects, with each project containing experiments using AI-assisted design. The collaboration interface shows which team members are working on what, where AI has generated insights, and which recommendations have been validated. Real-time notification systems alert teams when AI identifies breakthrough patterns or contradictions in results. Now here's the pro tips section where most people miss the value. First pro tip: ensemble models beat single models. Don't rely on one AI system. Combine multiple models, one optimized for accuracy, one for speed, one for detecting edge cases. The results are more robust. Second pro tip: understand your training data bias. AI learns from historical data. If your training data underrepresents certain populations, your AI will too. This is critical in medicine. Platforms now include a bias analysis tool where you can see how model performance varies across demographic groups. Third pro tip: use active learning. Rather than processing all data passively, have AI identify which samples are most informative to learn from. This accelerates discovery dramatically. Fourth pro tip: integrate regulatory documentation from the start. FDA guidance documents from 2023 to 2024 emphasize that explainability matters. Use AI systems that can tell you why they made a prediction, not just what the prediction is. Look for platforms with explanation modules that break down feature importance. Fifth pro tip: automate your validation pipelines. Don't manually verify every prediction. Set up automated validation against known reference standards. This catches errors at scale. Sixth pro tip: stay updated on latest model releases. AlphaFold updates, new NVIDIA Clara versions, emerging platforms from major tech companies, these move fast. Follow Nature Biotechnology, Science Translational Medicine, and official company announcements to stay current. Here's what you need to understand about the future: biotech AI integration isn't coming. It's here. Right now, AI is reducing drug discovery timelines, improving diagnostic accuracy, and enabling truly personalized medicine. The companies winning? Those integrating these tools today. The organizations leading this charge: DeepMind, Genentech, Moderna, Illumina. They're not waiting for perfect AI. They're deploying, learning, improving iteratively. That's the model you need to adopt. Whether you're a researcher, a healthcare professional, or someone interested in how technology transforms medicine, understanding biotech AI integration is essential. These aren't theoretical concepts anymore. They're reshaping how we fight disease. Remember, we're here to help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Subscribe to Tech Navigator Pro for more deep dives into emerging technologies that matter. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss when we break down the next breakthrough. And in the comments, tell me, what aspect of biotech AI fascinates you most? Drug discovery? Personalized medicine? Diagnostic tools? I read every comment, and your feedback shapes what we cover next. Thanks for watching. Keep navigating.